Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned vehicles with over 350 in stock. For a current list of our vehicles, if you're not on our website, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we have a new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2015 Hyundai Azera. It's a limited edition. But with that limited, you get a bunch of goodies in this thing, and we'll go around and kind of go over a little bit of what's inside and outside of this vehicle. First thing I noticed on this vehicle is the 19-inch Hyundai wheels. They are factory. It's a really nice rim and tire combo. Low profile tire, still gives you a really good ride. Very sleek car. This does have the blacktop edition. As you can see there, it is actually a pretty much a full top sunroof on this particular unit, and I'll show you guys when we get inside exactly how that works and how big the sunroof actually really is. As I'm walking around, I don't see any scratches, dings, or dents on the vehicle here. As far as the rear goes, it does have your backup sensors built into the rear bumper, along with your dual exhaust built in right at the bottom. Like I said, this is the limited edition. As far as on the passenger side of the front, very clean, no nicks on the door panels. It does have power passenger front seat along with power driver front seat. Very clean, the leather's not tore up, no rips on it as I can see. Like I said, it does have front driver and passenger power seats. This vehicle also has a two memory sets, so you can set it for his or hers. It'll set your seats, it'll set your radio, as far as your channel, a bunch of other cool features. Your steering wheel to put it in the correct position, since this particular car does have a power steering wheel, which will go up and down and obviously in and out. This particular unit does have power locks, power windows, pretty much fully loaded as far as in the Hyundai segment goes. When you get into the cockpit here, as you can see on the left side of the steering wheel, it does have your hand-free controls, so you can pair your phone up to this particular unit, leave it in your pocket, leave it in your purse. You can answer, take phone calls right from your steering wheel. And above that, you're going to have your controls for your radio, your volume, your presets, everything along them lines. On the right hand side, you'll see your cruise control. So everything is pretty much at your fingertips on the steering wheel in this particular unit. And like I said, this is a very loaded unit. This vehicle comes with navigation, also comes with Sirius XM radio, and all the capabilities like we talked in the steering wheel to program your phone into the radio system. This particular unit does have dual climate controls, so you can set the passenger on 70 degrees and set the driver on 70 degrees, and the passenger, it could be set on 65. So you have that capability. Plenty of little cubbyhole storages, as you can see in there. It also has a Bluetooth capability hookup in there with your 12 volt also to be in there. Everything's kind of hidden, which is sleek, a little sleek design. You can shut all your compartments, have a flat surface. You do have your cup holders right there. This particular vehicle does come with heated front seats, so your front and passenger gets heated and also cooled seats. I'm sorry. Another cool feature, this button right here is a power sunshade for the rear. Very cool feature. And then also on the rear of the side, on the two rear doors, there's a manual shade on each side, so you can keep the sun out of the passenger in the rears. As you can see, that is a full-length sunroof that we have on this vehicle, like I talked about outside. Really cool feature, and it closes very cool. So it comes from the front and the back, and it closes in the center. So to keep the shade out from inside the vehicle. And the sunroof also does open. The rear of the vehicle pretty standard. It does have a cool feature if you do have children. It does have the hooks so you can hook the car seat in. In the center, in between the two seats, it does have a cup holders, flip down, up or out of the way. And also the rear two seats on each side are also heated in this particular unit. So once again, this Hyundai is fully loaded. What a great price. It's got Infinity surround sound system in this particular unit. They did not spare any expense when whoever ordered this brand new. Like I said, this is a 2015 Hyundai 4-door car. Very nice, located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you are on YouTube and would like to view this on our website and see all the pictures we have on this, as long as also with the description, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And thanks for visiting.